Welcome to Winner's Lineup. The Best Planner Kits is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools for anyone looking to boost their productivity, organize their life, or simply unleash their creativity, offering a structured yet flexible framework to map out goals, track progress, and manage daily tasks with unparalleled efficiency, making it an indispensable companion for students, professionals, and hobbyists alike seeking to bring order to their busy schedules and achieve a greater sense of accomplishment. Number 5. Clever Fox Weekly Planner Binder. This unique organizing tool combines an undated weekly planner with a convenient zip pocket organizer. Keep your life planned and store important items all in one place. This goal-setting planner helps you create a vision for your life. Define your long-term goals and incorporate them into your weekly and daily agendas. It features an eco-leather cover, thick 120 GSM paper, and easy-to-open binding. Added habit trackers and monthly reviews will help you improve faster. You can start using it anytime as it is undated. It measures 7 by 9 inches and comes with a gift box and user guide. We offer a 60-day money-back guarantee. If you aren't satisfied for any reason, reach out to us for an exchange or refund. What we like. This planner is perfect for those who want to keep everything in one place. If you're looking for a tool that combines planning with storage for cards and essentials, this is it. Its goal-setting capabilities make it ideal for anyone aiming to achieve long-term life goals. What people say. The planner has a good layout and is easy to use. I love the variety of stickers and accessories included in the kit. The paper quality is excellent, and the pages are thick enough to prevent ink bleed-through. Number 4. STMT Planner Set, Ultimate DIY Daily Planner. Introducing the STMT Planner Set, your ultimate companion for a beautifully organized life. This set is designed to help you decorate and personalize your daily planner, diary, and agenda. It features 12 tabbed monthly pages with a full calendar spread, ready for you to fill in your important tasks. The best part is, it's undated, so you can start planning any time of the year. Let this planner be your personal assistant to keep track of important dates, daily events, and deadlines. You can use it for your daily, weekly, or monthly planning needs. This set comes with over 50 stationery essentials, including helpful stickers like arrows, reminders, and months. They are perfect for adding a practical and creative touch to your plans. Learn the power of planning to prioritize and stay organized in a busy world. It's a great way to prepare for the future and minimize stress, especially for kids and teen girls. The kit includes a spiral-bound planner, sticker sheets, labels, a gold pen, stamp markers with fun icons, and decorative paper clips. It also comes with easy-to-follow instructions to get you started. What we like. This is the ultimate creative kit for young planners. If you love to decorate and personalize your plans with stickers, stamps, and pens, this set is for you. It's perfect for kids and teen girls who want to make planning a fun, artistic activity. What people say. The planner is well organized and has plenty of space for daily tasks. I love the variety of stickers and decorative elements included. They really help personalize the planner. The paper quality is excellent, thick enough to prevent ink bleed-through from most pens. Number 3. Vintage Aesthetic Scrapbook Supplies Kit. Unleash your creativity with this comprehensive scrapbook supplies kit. It includes everything you need to start journaling, from notebooks and papers to stickers and tapes. Immerse yourself in a dreamy purple aesthetic with this collection. You'll find beautiful designs inspired by the sky, moon, ocean, and flowers, perfect for creating a magical journal. Crafted with high-grade, durable materials, this kit ensures your creations stand the test of time. The papers are smooth for writing, and the stickers are easy to use for all your crafting needs. This versatile kit is perfect for scrapbooking, bullet journaling, junk journaling, and so much more. Use the decorative papers for crafts, gift wrapping, card making, and even home decor. Presented in a beautifully designed box, it makes an ideal gift for anyone who loves journaling or creative paper crafts. It's perfect for adults, beginners, and stationery enthusiasts alike. We are dedicated to ensuring you have a wonderful experience with our product. If you face any issues, we're happy to assist with a refund or replacement. What we like. Dive into a world of creative journaling with this extensive kit. If you appreciate a dreamy, purple aesthetic and love to collage, this is your go-to. It's ideal for beginners and experienced crafters looking for a complete set for junk journaling, scrapbooking, and more. What people say. The planner is well organized with plenty of space for daily tasks and notes. I love the variety of stickers and decorative elements included, they really help personalize the planner. The paper quality is excellent, thick enough to prevent ink bleed through from most pens. Number 2. Undated Weekly Planner with Habit Tracker, pink. Introducing our Undated Weekly Planner, designed to help you organize 52 weeks of your life. It includes a dedicated habit tracker to help you build positive routines. Crafted with FSC-certified paper, this planner is as kind to the planet as it is to your plans. The spiral binding allows for easy page turning and removal. Enjoy a seamless writing experience on our smooth, 100 GSM white paper. It's perfect for all your favorite pens, from pencils to gel pens. This A5-sized planner is your ideal companion for on-the-go planning. It even comes with stickers to highlight important tasks and goals. Effectively manage your time with dedicated spaces for weekly goals, to-do lists, and habit tracking. It's the perfect tool for women and girls to organize their studies and life. What we like. This planner is designed for consistent, long-term planning. If you need a simple, undated weekly layout with a focus on habit development, this is a great choice. Its A5 size makes it perfect for carrying around to manage studies or daily life. What people say. The planner kit includes a variety of stickers and decorative elements that are perfect for customizing your planner. The paper quality is excellent, with a smooth finish that makes writing and drawing a pleasure. The kit comes with a functional pen that writes smoothly and doesn't smudge. Number 1. MasterVision Magnetic Gold Ultra Grid Planner 48x72. Introducing the MasterVision Magnetic Gold Ultra Grid Planner, designed for your most frequent planning needs. Its durable magnetic dry erase surface ensures smooth and easy use every day. This planner comes complete with a magnetic accessory kit. It includes data cards, date magnets, and mini magnet shapes to help you organize your schedule effectively. Featuring subtle 1x2-inch pale gray grid lines, it offers a professional look with 35 columns and 46 rows, making your planning clear and precise. Keep your writing tools and accessories within reach with the convenient sliding aluminum pen tray. Everything you need is always at hand. Setting up your new planner is a breeze thanks to the easy 4-corner mounting system. All necessary hardware is included for a quick and secure installation. What we like. For those who need a large-scale, visual planning solution, this is it. If you prefer a magnetic, dry erase surface for frequent updates and a clear grid for detailed scheduling, this planner is ideal. It's perfect for offices, classrooms, or busy households needing a central planning hub. What people say. The planner has a sturdy cover and high-quality paper that prevents ink bleed-through. It includes a variety of useful sections like goal-setting pages, habit trackers, and monthly-weekly layouts. The spiral binding allows the planner to lay flat, making it easy to write in. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.